Welcome back to Neurodegeneration and AI in the Gulf. I'm Sohith. In our last episode, we examined the financial burden of neurodegenerative diseases, from rising healthcare costs to the ripple effects on families and healthcare systems. Today, we delve into a topic that's transforming modern medicine: the intersection of AI, big data, and privacy in healthcare. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, embedded in everything from MRI analysis to genomic diagnostics. With its unmatched ability to process massive datasets, AI can now detect early signs of Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other neurodegenerative conditions far earlier than traditional methods. But with this power comes a profound responsibility. As AI tools become more integrated into clinical practice, they are generating, analyzing, and storing troves of patient data that includes not just lab reports or scans, but even continuous health monitoring from wearables and smart devices. And so we must ask, who owns this data? Who protects it? And how do we prevent its misuse?
Big data is the fuel that drives AI. Machine learning models thrive on patterns in millions of health records, learning from them to deliver highly personalized diagnosis and treatment plans. In neurodegeneration research, this means identifying risk factors from genetics, lifestyle, and environmental exposures with unprecedented accuracy. However, most of this data comes from real patients, often collected without their explicit understanding or consent. Though de-identified in theory, research has shown that AI algorithms can sometimes re-identify individuals by combining different datasets. This raises ethical concerns about data transparency, consent, and even algorithmic bias. Many AI models are trained primarily on data from Western populations, which can result in underperformance in non Western communities. In regions like the Gulf, Africa, or South Asia, this bias can lead to misdiagnosis or suboptimal treatment recommendations, turning what could be a medical revolution into a source of systematic inequality.
So, how do we safeguard the future of AI driven healthcare? First, data decentralization is key. Technologies like blockchain can give patients control over their own records, granting access only when they choose. Federated learning is another innovation. AI models are trained directly on local data at hospitals without sending sensitive records to central servers. This preserves patients' privacy while still advancing research. Regulatory frameworks are catching up. The EU's AI Act, for instance, classifies medical AI as high risk, mandating strict audits and ethical review. Meanwhile, global research communities are pushing for inclusive, representative datasets to address bias. Ultimately, the goal is to create an ecosystem where AI tools are not only powerful, but also respectful of human dignity and diversity. In summary, AI and big data are revolutionizing how we diagnose and manage neurodegenerative diseases, but they must be harnessed responsibly. Privacy, equity, and patient autonomy are not optional, they are fundamental pillars of ethical innovation. As we continue to integrate AI into the very core of healthcare, these questions must guide us. Are we protecting the vulnerable? Are we building ecosystems that benefit everyone? In our next episode, we'll turn our attention to another critical dimension in the fight against neurodegeneration: nutrition and lifestyle. Can everyday choices shape the brain future? Join as we explore how food, exercise, and mental health might offer powerful tools in preventing cognitive decline. Until then, stay informed, stay ethical, and stay engaged.